Welcome to InspireIgnite, where we unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Our journey today takes us through an exciting avenue, one that promises the thrill of extra income, and all from the comfort of your own home. Now, wouldn't that be a game changer? Picture this: your alarm goes off, and instead of the usual dread, you're greeted with the prospect of $800 waiting for you, just like that, every single day. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that it's not just a dream, but a reality waiting to happen? And it's waiting for you. Yes, you heard it right. We're about to dive into a Google News money hack, a strategy that's not only legitimate, but also incredibly lucrative. So, stick around because today we're unveiling this secret that could be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's face it, in today's world, making ends meet can be a constant struggle. From the moment our alarm clocks buzz in the morning, to the minute our heads hit the pillow at night, we're caught in a relentless cycle of earning and spending. Whether it's the rent or mortgage, utility bills, groceries, or unexpected expenses, the outflow often seems to outweigh the inflow. And let's not even get started on those dreams we've put on the back burner. That dream vacation, the startup business idea, the desire to go back to school, or even just the freedom to work less and spend more time with loved ones. These dreams often take a backseat, deferred due to our financial constraints. The sad reality is that many of us are living paycheck to paycheck, always one step behind, always playing catch-up. We're constantly searching, hoping, praying for a solution to our money woes. And sometimes it can feel like we're stuck in a maze with no exit in sight. But fear not, because we've cracked the code to earning a substantial income online. Now you might be wondering, what's this magical platform that holds the key to unlocking your financial potential? It's none other than Google News. Yes, that's right, Google News. You see, on this platform, millions of articles are published every day, covering an array of topics. Now, how does this help you make money, you might ask? Well, it's all about leveraging the latest trends and news articles. When you stay on top of what's trending, you can create content that people are actively searching for. Think of it like surfing. You want to catch the wave at just the right time to ride it all the way to the shore. And in this case, the wave is the latest news trend, and the shore is your financial success. By staying ahead of the curve and capitalizing on these trends, you can tap into a goldmine of opportunity. Still skeptical? Well, let the results speak for themselves. We've seen extraordinary success stories unfold right before our eyes. These aren't just faceless statistics, they're real people, just like you and me. They're the stay-at-home mom who turned her passion for current affairs into a lucrative side hustle. They're the college student who paid off his tuition fees by leveraging the power of Google News. These individuals started off just like you, unsure but hopeful. They put their trust in this method and it paid off literally. Their stories are a testament to the potential of this Google News money hack. We've seen earnings skyrocket from zero to hundreds of dollars a day in a matter of weeks, and the beauty of it all, it's free. There are no hidden fees, no costly investments, just the promise of financial freedom. From stay-at-home parents to college students, the proof is in the profits. So here's what you need to do to get started on your path to financial freedom. It's time to seize the day, and the first step is just a click away. Right below this video, you'll find a link to our exclusive guide. This guide will walk you through the entire process from getting started with Google News to harnessing its full potential for your financial gain. Remember, this isn't just about making money, this is about securing your future, about breaking free from financial constraints, and about taking control of your destiny. This is about turning the invisible chains of financial insecurity into stepping stones to a richer, more prosperous life. So, why wait? The time is now. Click the link, follow the guide, and start your journey to financial freedom. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Seize the day and start making money online with Google News today.